Okay, so you can know what's coming just by reading the data here, which is the input of everything everybody knows, believes, hopes, thinks.
It's kind of like we're up here, but really there's no good reason for us to be up here.
The only reason we're up here, Joel, is this. There's been a decline from 52 to 50 in supply. That's really less than a 5% decline. That's it. That is, and you could go add it up. How much is the market up since here? About 2%. Right? So that it tells you that if it doesn't change, if that were to continue to fall, we're fine. But what is the probability of that? Well, it's statistically less than 1%. So if I were betting, I would bet that the market declines, not immediately. We could have a good up day, good down day, another good up day. It's not linear, but the linear isn't what you want to follow. The linear is price, and it will fool you.